Step 1. Organize all guide rail components according to video. Step 2. Remove original vehicle bolts. Step 3. Position the tailgate guide rail, aligning its mounting holes with factory receptacles. Secure with new bolts and repeat for the opposite section. Step 4. Press lock the latch into position and rotate to secure. Then insert quick release screws into adjustable locations and tighten nuts.